homeline here for a quick little trip. We were just out here yesterday morning placing bait, and I hung that camera, and I got home and the camera sent me a message saying I didn't have a memory stick in it there. So got to run across there and stick in a card. So anyways, we just got through the swamp here and pretty fresh tracks. That's that one big wolf that we've been seeing, plus there's another smaller one with it here. So going the other way, actually through the swamp right towards the house. These were not very long ago, not melted out at all, and it's like 7 degrees above zero today. So I'm gonna say they're probably within the last couple hours. Long ways away from any of our bait stations, so I doubt if we got that big one. Probably not gonna check all the snares tonight anyways, just running across with this memory stick. A few chores to do at home. So anyways, let's get going. Looks like lots of bird activity around here, but anyways, we'll get this card put in this camera and get out of here. across that water over there, but I got myself a foothold right out in the middle of that beaver dam there, so I better go pull that thing because it's more than likely sunk in the ice. So let's go check it out. Well, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but still going to pull it up here because another day and it's going to be gone. So, okay, let's pull that up and chuck some more baits. We got a fresh bait we just placed there yesterday. We'll see. It's way closer to where I seen those wolf tracks tonight. So let's go check it out. Well, didn't bring my flashlight tonight, but this is kind of weird. The wolves come in and we're picking bones out of this old bait pile here, and 200 feet away I got a bunch of fresh bait in there. They didn't even go up there. So, but yeah, it's weird. There's bones all up and down the trail here. They've been picking off this old bone pile. But yeah, super fresh tracks. That's good. Yeah, oh, one snare there I can see. Wish I brought my headlamp. Not sure why I left it at home. Probably because it's daylight when I left. Wasn't thinking about it, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go get back on the sled here. They're around here. I don't want to spread out too much scent. Okay, let's go check a couple more. Well guys, that's it for tonight. Checked a couple more snares around that bait there. Those wolves hadn't been into my fresh bait, but I didn't want to chomp around too much, seeing they've been there like today. I didn't want to spread my scent any more than what's already there. But you know what's odd? Coming in here, was following some tracks right up to, 40 feet away from one of the cubbies, and they go in the bush and circle around and come back out in the trail 100 feet away. And they're smart. Their sniffer there works pretty bloody good. But then right at my bait station there, they were walking all over the place right where I was just standing yesterday. So there's really no rhyme to reason to it, I guess. And then them not going right into that fresh bait, but picking out those bones that nothing on them. Kind of weird, but oh well, that's how it goes. We're gonna head her home. I guess I'll have to make sure I bring my headlamp out here still. Never thought of it for some reason, but okay, let's get going. Thanks for coming again. See you next time.